Hey you guys, welcome to my video today. I'm doing a grocery haul and I came over to Grocery Outlet. I thought I'd mix it up from my normal Walmart grocery pickups. So I'm at Grocery Outlet. I'm gonna go see what kind of awesome goodies they have. They always have the great deals. So I'm excited. I'm gonna go get our groceries for the week. And this video is part of a collaboration this week with all of my YouTube friends who do grocery hauls as well. It's hosted by Tiffany from Small Town 6. So I will link her channel and I'll link a playlist of everyone's grocery haul videos in my description box. So check that out after this video and I'm gonna go get some groceries and show you everything I get. All right, so here's everything that I got from Grocery Outlet. They always have awesome, cool things that are fun to try that are new. So I will start over on this end. Got our eggs for the week. They were $3.49, pretty good price. I got some shredded mozzarella and pepperoni because they had these Pillsbury pizza crusts, 2 for $1. So I got 2 of these and I've gotten this before. It's really good. So some mozzarella and pepperoni for that, some salami for the week. I have to get these 0 carb tortillas every week because I love them and they're a little bit cheaper at Grocery Outlet. So I got 2 packs to stock up. I found this chickpea gnocchi. It was $1.99 and it looks really good. So we'll definitely give it a try. It says light, airy Italian dumplings, gluten-free, plant-based protein. So this will be super fun to try. And it says that it cooks in 2 minutes. So that's quick and easy, which I love. I got a pack of Go-Gurts for the boys. The vanilla and strawberry ones, it was $3.99 for this pack of 20, so that's a good price. I always stock up on their soups because the prices are great on those. So I got 2 chicken noodles. They always have fun different teas, so I want to try this one. It's a ginger green tea, and so it sounds good. And they always have like an entire aisle full of teas, so I like to try some different ones. Got some roasted red pepper hummus, which is so delicious, and some carrots to go with that. Apples for the week. My family loves apples. Got some cherries. They had them. They were on sale. I think they were $1.99 or $1.49 a pound. Here's Benjamin's hand grabbing some. Some teriyaki. I got 2 bottles of wine because they have such a fun wine selection and really, really great wine prices. So got a couple bottles there. And then I got 2 packs of this seaweed stuff. So there's 12 in each pack, but this is the sea salt version and my kids love this as a snack. And it's $5.99 per pack. So stocked up on this. It's kind of big. It takes up a lot of room in the pantry, but it's a great price and they don't always have it, so I wanted to get a couple. I got some lettuce for my salads for the week. They always have this carnitas that I like to just put in the crock pot to make carnitas for tacos, salads, pulled pork sandwiches. So good, super easy. And it's only $6.88 for this whole thing, and it makes quite a few meals, so it's awesome. A thing of sourdough bread. My husband has been loving sourdough lately. And then I got some chicken thighs and some chicken breasts. So we'll make some teriyaki chicken, and then I will grill up our chicken breasts for the week for our salads and sandwiches. So this is everything from Grocery Outlet. They had some awesome goodies with some really great prices this week. So thanks so much for checking out my haul. And don't forget, like I said earlier, check out the playlist in the description box and check out Tiffany's channel since this one is a collaboration with a lot of my YouTube friends that do some grocery haul videos. So I will see you guys all next time. Hope you have a really great day. Bye-bye.